It is a brand new week and you are welcome to another interesting edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we bring you key developments in the market. This edition captures the market performance for Friday, July 26, 2019. From the Nigeria Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 27,918.59 basis points with a market capitalization of 13.606 trillion naira, which led to a dip in market performance by minus 0.26%. Equity markets maintained downtrend on Friday as NSE ASI recorded 0.26% loss amid decreased volume turnover as market sentiment and market breadth closed negative. A total turnover of 1.69 billion shares worth 11.393 billion naira in 16,346 deals were traded last week by investors on the floor of the exchange, in contrast to a total of 1.86 billion shares valued at 13.390 billion naira that exchanged hands in the previous week in 15,774 deals. Chi PLC, Nigerian Police Force Microfinance Bank, and WAPIC were top gainers, while international breweries, CCNN and Okomu Oil were among the top losers. Chi PLC, Zenith Bank and WAPCO were the top players in terms of trade volumes. For the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 32.39 trillion naira, while the NAFEX rate closed at 361 naira 60 kobo to a dollar. Also, the I&D FX rate opened at 361 naira 45 kobo to a dollar and closed at 361 naira 97 kobo to a dollar. Looking at the NASD OTC market, the unlisted share index closed at 719.86 basis points with a market capitalization of 517.17 billion naira. Volume of shares traded was 67,660 and the value traded 19.259 million naira in 7 deals executed. You can also check the Nigerian economic indices on the dashboard displaying on the screen. Major highlights. From the activities of last week Friday, the FMDQ OTC Exchange held its 7th annual general meeting in Lagos, which was coordinated by the chairman of the board, Dr. Joseph Nana. It was an opportunity to engage market stakeholders on the 2018 financial year performance and outlook for 2019. On Saturday, July 27, 2019, Vice President Professor Yemi Osinbajo SAN at the 2019 Tony Elumelu Foundation Entrepreneurship Program charged the young African entrepreneurs to take up the task of transforming Africa through their businesses and ideas. He stated this as part of his keynote at the event, which was attended by 4 African heads of government. Market and economic events to watch. On our market and economic activities to watch for today, the Development Bank of Nigeria will hold its inaugural lecture series with the theme Surviving to Thriving, MSMEs as the key to unlocking inclusive growth in Africa today in Abuja, with Dr. Donald Kaberuka, former president of Africa Development Bank, as guest speaker. Public and private sector players will converge today in Lagos to discuss policy change, the enabler of sustainable growth powered by financial derivatives company. The objective of this event is to draw attention of policymakers to the importance of dynamic equilibrium, unified exchange rate, and will host a panel discussion on AFCFTA as a catalyst of investment and GDP growth in Nigeria, and exchange rate volatility, uncertainty and misalignment as impediments to regional trade and economic growth. It will have as special guest of honor the Vice President of Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, SAN. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. You can visit our website www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. You can also follow our social media platforms shown on the screen for further updates on our market reports. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a great day.